According to a communique received from Mr. Mani Maupat, Secretary of the Seva Bharati Meghalaya, the organization recently received a consignment of COVID-19 related equipment from Seva International to provide assistance in treating COVID-19 patients. As per Mr. Maupat, 15 oxygen concentrators, 200 oximeters and 400 PPEs were delivered to the organization. Mr. A.L. Hegg, Honorable Minister for Health and Welfare Government of Meghalaya, inaugurated these equipment in a program held recently. Those who attended the inauguration included Dr. P.K. Goswami, Director NEIAH, Bawan Bog and S. Lingdo, Rangbashnong of Bishnupur. In his speech as the chief guest, Mr. A.L. Hegg lauded the efforts of the organization in providing assistance to needy families in the state during the lockdown imposed to combat the spread of pandemic.
Planning about this program this morning. We have also a very important guest here today, Director NEIA, Professor Goswami ji. And we have also the headman of the Bishnupur Consistories, Baba Lingdo, who is a good friend of mine. For many years we've been together. I'd like to thank the Seva Bharati, Bijit, Kongsit, the President, Kong Mira Dakhar, the Vice President, all the esteemed members of the Seva Bharati, then Prabin, my friend from RSS, and all members present here today. The Professor Goswami had said everything, has left nothing for other speakers to speak. But anyway, I'm very happy to say today the Seva Bharati. This is not the first time I have been associated with Seva Bharati. I've been associated for many years with RSS. They are doing tremendous and immense work, social works to the service to the people. You have seen that in the reports, how been taken care for the marginalized economic children, how they take them up, how to give them education, give them food, give them everything they need to bring them out to society. So this is all the contributions which is served by the Seva Bharati to the human being, to mankind. So this is the beautiful thing which they have done. I really appreciate and admire the work that they have done to all the people. So today they also have come forward. Not only today, we have seen for many days they have been doing this, but they are continuing now also by donating this oxygen concentrator, PPE kit, mask, and many others items like the pulse oximeters to serve the people and to reach out to the people. So this is a very mankind services that we have been doing. And as said by Lingdo, there are so many God-fearing people. They said that no, we'll not go for vaccination, we'll not go for tests, where God is there to leave us. But I will just remind all of you, God helps those who help themselves. If you don't help yourself, God also will not help you. So that's why you have to be self-respect first. You have to respect yourself first. You have to help yourself first. Then only God also will come and help others. God will not come from there to come and give healing to us. They have sent people from there. God has sent the people. They sent the doctors. They have sent the people from the Darbar Shillong to help the people. They have sent the Seva Bharati. They have sent so many organizations been doing tremendous services to serve the people. So that's why I just want to reiterate it once again that God helps to those who